Hi, in the following demo I will show you how to perform preventive maintenance for the asset management module in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. First of all, I will quickly explain the basic elements that compose the asset management module and are necessary to understand the process we will go through. First of all, there is the asset, that is the one that will be receiving the maintenance. Next is the functional location, that is the physical place where the asset is located. Then is the maintenance job type, that describes in a general level the process that the asset will be receiving, for example, a calibration, a lubrication, a greasing, or a simple inspection. Then there is the worker that will be performing the said maintenance job type. All these elements combine in one to make the work order, that is the task that will be performed by the worker on the specific asset on a specific date. Preventive maintenance in the asset management module works the following way. A maintenance plan is created in which a condition is set to create a work order. This condition can be a time condition or a counter condition. For this demo we will use a time condition. Then the maintenance plan will be scheduled, creating a work order following the condition registered in the maintenance plan. That will create a work order calendar. After that, the work order will be scheduled for a specific date, and the required consumable items or tools must be prepared, albeit for the inventory department, warehouse department, or the maintenance worker. Then the maintenance worker will perform the required job in the described asset at the scheduled date. When the work is finished, the maintenance worker will register the consumption of materials and time this work order took. At last, the asset will be updated to tell the users that the asset is already had his maintenance plan performed. Now we are in the asset form located in the asset management module. This is an asset that I have created for this demo, and you can see here it has a functional location. In this case, it says that the asset is located in the functional location F01. Also, it has an asset type. In this case, is the air vacuum type. Now we move along to the maintenance plan form. As you can see, I have created a maintenance plan called Preventive Test. This maintenance plan only has one line and is of the time type and describes the process of a bearing replacement to an asset, which will be performed every 4 months, as you can see here for the columns period, frequency, and period. I have set up this maintenance plan to only apply it to the testing asset I have created, but if necessary, this maintenance plan can be assigned to a specific asset type, a specific location, or a functional location type. Now that the maintenance plan is completely set up, I will proceed to schedule the maintenance plan. I will schedule up for the next year, so I will select during period and hearing one. If I want to be scheduled for the next 2 years, I will have to set up a different number here. And the only maintenance plan that will be scheduled will be the one I just created, so I'm gonna click OK. Here, as you can see, it tells me that the maintenance plan were scheduled, and now I will go to see the maintenance schedule lines. With the maintenance plan correctly scheduled, we can see here that 3 new lines have been created for different dates according to the time condition we set up, all applying to the asset test for the job bearing replacement. We will now look into the work order that were created for this maintenance plan. As you can see here, 3 work orders have been created with a start time according to what was scheduled, and it was in the maintenance plan time condition. All of them are the preventive type, and if we enter into the work order, we will find that is applied to the asset test, and it will be performed a bearing replacement job from the functional location F01. And with this, we have completed the deployment of preventive maintenance within asset management for Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. While if some for the work order here is to be performed by the maintenance worker, and for the maintenance worker to register all the consumption for this work order and then mark the work order as finished.